learners and digital scholars. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about maximizing your educational experience in the virtual world. Today, we're tackling a topic that's become increasingly relevant: 10 ways to make the most of online classes. Whether you're a student adjusting to remote learning or simply looking to up your online education game, these tips will help you thrive in the digital classroom. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Create a designated study space. Designate a quiet, comfortable, and organized space for your online learning. This will help you stay focused and minimize distractions. Tip 2. Invest in quality tech. Ensure you have a reliable computer, a stable internet connection, and any necessary software or apps for your courses. Tip 3. Set a schedule. Establish a daily or weekly schedule that includes class times, study sessions, and breaks. Consistency is key to staying on track. Tip 4. Stay engaged during class. Actively participate in virtual classes by asking questions and contributing to discussions. Engaging with your peers and instructors enhances the learning experience. Tip 5. Take organized notes. Develop effective note-taking techniques that work for you, whether it's digital notes, handwritten notes, or a combination of both. Tip 6. Leverage online resources. Explore online libraries, forums, and educational websites to supplement your learning and dive deeper into your subjects. Tip 7. Collaborate with peers. Connect with classmates through virtual study groups or online discussion boards. Collaborative learning can enhance your understanding of the material. Tip 8. Stay organized with digital tools. Use digital tools like calendars, task lists, and productivity apps to keep track of assignments, deadlines, and class materials. Tip 9. Take regular breaks. Schedule short breaks between study sessions to recharge your brain and prevent burnout. Tip 10. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to your instructors or academic advisors if you're struggling with course material or facing challenges in your online classes. And there you have it, 10 valuable tips to make the most of your online classes. Remember, online learning can be just as rewarding as traditional classrooms with the right strategies and mindset. If you found these online learning tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow online learners.